Welcome back to the Ride Radar. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. This iconic motorcycle combines classic styling with modern engineering, making it a must-see for enthusiasts and casual riders alike. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Bullet 350 retains the timeless design that fans love, featuring a classic silhouette, round headlamp, and a sculpted fuel tank. Royal Enfield has introduced new color options and premium finishes, enhancing its vintage charm while appealing to contemporary tastes. Performance and engine. The Bullet 350 is powered by a refined 349cc single-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth ride with a solid 20.2 horsepower. The updated engine is designed for improved torque and efficiency, perfect for both city commuting and long rides on the highway. Technology and features. The 2025 Bullet 350 features a digital analog instrument cluster that displays vital information clearly. It also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation and music while keeping their focus on the road. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is key in any motorcycle, and the Bullet 350 doesn't disappoint. With a well-padded seat, relaxed riding posture, and adjustable suspension, it offers an enjoyable experience whether you're on a short trip or a long journey. Safety features. Then, safety is paramount, and Royal Enfield has equipped the Bullet 350 with dual-channel ABS and improved braking systems. These enhancements ensure better control and stability, giving riders confidence on every ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is a beautiful blend of nostalgia and innovation. It's a motorcycle that honors its heritage while embracing the future. If you're looking for a bike that stands out on the road and offers an exhilarating ride, this might just be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates on the latest in the motorcycle world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.